We'll guide you through how to use Math Assistant in OneNote. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and type OneNote into the search box. Open the OneNote application from the search results and wait until it is ready to use. Open an existing notebook or create a new note page. Then navigate to the page where you want to solve a math problem. Click the Draw tab on the ribbon at the top of the window to access the available drawing tools. Select a pen tool and write a mathematical equation clearly on the page using your mouse. Make sure the equation is neat and easy to recognize so Math Assistant can interpret it accurately. After completing the equation, return to the Draw tab and click the Lasso Select tool. Carefully draw a selection around the handwritten equation so that the entire expression is included. Wait for the Ink to Math button to become available on the ribbon after the equation has been selected. Click the Ink to Math button to open the Math Assistant panel and display the recognized equation. Review the recognized equation carefully to ensure that every number, symbol, and operator has been interpreted correctly. If you notice any mistakes, use the Write or Erase tools within the Math Assistant panel to correct the equation before continuing. Once you are satisfied with the corrected equation, click Insert to place the converted math expression into your note. Review the inserted result on the note page to confirm that it matches your original handwritten equation and displays correctly. If you have more mathematical expressions to convert, repeat the same process by writing another equation, selecting it with the Lasso Select tool, reviewing the recognized version, correcting any errors, and inserting the final result into your notebook. When you have finished working, allow OneNote to save and sync your changes automatically.